Can't change the auto lock setting on your iPhone because it's grayed out? Don't worry, it's an easy fix. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to solve the auto lock grayed out issue on your iPhone. So let's get started. Solution 1. Disable low power mode. Open the Settings app, tap Battery, toggle off low power mode. After that, check if auto lock works as expected. Solution 2. Turn off guided access. Open Settings, tap Accessibility, scroll down and tap Guided Access. Toggle it off. Solution 3. Update your iPhone. Open Settings, here tap General, then tap Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open Settings, here tap General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then choose Reset all settings. Confirm when prompted. This will reset system settings, but it won't erase your data. So that's how you can fix the auto lock grayed out issue on your iPhone. If this video helped, make sure to hit the like button. Still having trouble? Drop a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.